Is there such a thing as a trader who is just consistently profitable? I'm sure there are traders that are profitable, right? I'm sure there are. And who do it for a living, right? I wouldn't want to say that that doesn't exist, but just the nature of this industry, there are risks there. You cannot possibly predict and know exactly what's going to happen with whatever. And that also comes in investing in even, blue chip stocks or, some big companies. And this also comes back to the start of our conversation. What would have been the right advice for your mom? And it turns out that she made the right choice. But what is that reliable advice? You could invest in Apple today. If you had to ask me, where do I put my money? Apple, Google, Tesla. I don't think these companies are going anywhere. I think consistently they're going to go up, or even, an index. So the NASDAQ or whichever. But then again, you just never know. Because if we look at the Japanese index, for 20 years they were flat. Yeah. I think maybe they even shrunk. I don't know. But they didn't have that, what everybody talks about, Tony Robbins. Okay. Tony Robbins, who says, if you invest all your money in an index fund, you're guaranteed to get 6% year on year forever.
It depends which index fund, I guess. Maybe it's talking S&P 500.
Yeah. The big ones, S&P 500 or NASDAQ, right? Yeah, but that is today's history. At least within the audience that you see in Zulu Trade, do you see there are some really gifted people that just somehow they know what they're doing, and they haven't come up with some manipulation, like speculation, arbitrage, fast trading, which I guess depends on technology and figuring out a way to know where a price is going before it hits on a specific platform. There's arbitrage, right? Somebody who actually knows. Warren Buffett, for example, undisputable. He's proven. He's proven. He knows. Yeah. He knows his stuff. He knows what to look at. In the Zulu Trade community, is there that? Do you see this reflect in anyone?
In general, Warren Buffett, I think what sets him apart, that he buys things for keeps. So the way he was telling us, as I understood from his interviews, that he buys things that he wants to keep for 100 years and not to sell. So that's where he is. So I guess that's where the value lies. And when it comes to trading, what's the reason behind trading? So if you're investing your money, what is it that you're looking for as a return? Are you looking to beat the interest rates that you get from a bank, rather than you depositing your money into the bank and you get an annual, 2-3% of interest? This is the number you're looking to beat, to get better than that? Or are you trying to get rich quick? Because like different people, there are some people who are trying to get rich quick. There are some people who are trying to take calculated risks, like gamblers. But when I talk about gamblers, I'm not talking about the blind gamblers who are just saying red or black on the roulette and not to think about it. There are professional gamblers. There's professional poker players or blackjack players who are calculating the risks and take decisions based on pure maths or statistics or predictions or probabilities. Yeah. So there are same people in the finance industry or Forex or any level of investment, actual stocks or whatever assets. There are different level of players and different outcomes are expected. I can't tell who is who in the game. Obviously, with Zulu Trade, we saw a lot of things over the past 17 years. We have people who are profitable for years on years. So every month, profit. Of course, maybe smaller percentage of profit than the cowboys who come in and do the Wild West style of investing. But maybe for them, it's a different goal that they want to reach. So I think there is no trader who haven't lost money. I don't think in any industry, in any asset class, there is always when you lose something. I think what matters is that how much you lose when you lose and how much you win when you win. So manage your risk and reward, and based on that, be smart about it.
Thank you for watching that short. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to watch the full episode, it's available over here. Remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content, and follow us on Spotify. It helps the algorithm.